Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to teach you and show you the sandpapers you need for any paint job that you're going to be doing on your vehicle. These are the sandpapers you're going to need. Alright, before starting the sanding, I am using an interface pad. Reason I'm doing it with an interface pad and not just the DA itself, it's because the car has nothing. The car is perfectly fine. All they want, it's a color change. So the interface pad is going to let me just sand perfectly with no issues whatsoever. Now if I had peeling paint, if I had body work that I need to do, I do need to do it without the interface pad, but this car, perfect. So if your car is in perfectly good shape, you just want a color change, use the interface pad. This is how it looks with the 180 sandpaper that I started. Reason I use 180 at first is because I need to break the surface from the clear. Once I do that, I continue with the next one, with the next grit. But this is what you need to get. Let me sand the entire hood so that you can see how it looks with the 180. Okay, after the entire hood has been sanded, let's go to the next step. Side note, if you think this one's too coarse, you can go with 220. You can start sanding your vehicle with 220. This is the way I've been doing it for many years. Never had an issue, but I'm just showing you what I do. All right, now we're gonna go with 220. Now the reason you go with 220, you're trying to eliminate the 180 grit sandpaper. Okay, you're progressing to finer and finer. Now another thing, guys, when you're sanding, you don't need to press the DA, or you don't need to press the machine hard to the panel. Just let the machine do the work, or you're just guiding it. So let's do a piece so you can see how the 220 grit sandpaper looks like. Alright, and this is how it's supposed to look with 220. Now I don't know if you can tell the difference, but there's a difference right there. Let me just do the entire hood and show you the 220. Now it's beginning to look finer and finer. Perfect. After this, let's go with the 320. Do the exact same thing. Okay, after the 320, we're almost there. You can use 400 grit, or what I like to use, it's some maroon Scotch Brite. Let me show you how to use that, and let's go. In order to use the maroon Scotch Brite, you need to remove the interface pad, and you do need to have Velcro in order for it to stick. All you gotta do, center it, and you got yourself a sanding pad. There it is. The hood is ready. The hood is ready for paint. Now all you gotta do is just use a wax and grease remover and apply some sealer, and you can start your paint. Now I am gonna paint inside also, so I'm gonna sand the inside of the hood. I'm gonna do the same process, and this will be it. This will be it for this video. This is how which sandpapers you need to use in order to paint a car. And thank you guys, thank you very much. Also, please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit that little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you like my videos, guys, I do have a PayPal. I do have also a Cash App, and also that little heart that says thanks. You can, I would really appreciate it if you can help me out. Thank you. And like always, God bless.